Want to offer extra ticket options such as t-shirt sizes, meal preferences, merchandise, or paid workshop access? In this tutorial, we'll connect Eventin with Optiontics to add these options directly to the event registration form. Attendees can choose what they need, and any extra cost will be added to the booking total automatically. Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. First, open Optiontics and create a new option block. Add the fields you need using dropdowns, checkboxes, swatches, text fields, or any other supported input type. Next, configure your option block by setting up the fields, pricing, and any display conditions you need. Once everything looks good, save the option block. Now, open the Eventin event where you want to offer customized ticket options. Go to the Advanced tab, enable the Optiontics integration, and select the option block you just created. Then save your event. Visit your event registration page and try booking a ticket. Your attendees will now see the customized ticket options during registration, and the booking total will automatically update as they make their selections. That's it. Your Eventin and Optiontics integration is now ready.